The reason we meet is because of Molo Molo.
Molo Molo.
Molo Molo.
Yes, you record yourself and then you send me on Instagram, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you love that song.
Yes, and you love the
Yeah.
woman which is Switzerland, huh? Muzungu.
Yeah, mashallah. And I really love that song because of that song, me and you we meet.
Huh.
Huh.
I came Kashmir. Inshallah, one day I'm gonna come to Mogadishu.
Yes, one day I will bring her Mogadishu. And then one day you will get a Somali passport.
Inshallah.
I will give you Somali passport.
Do
you really know that's my dream, to give you a Somali passport?
Why?
That's my dream because in every African guy, when they meet people from Europe, they always take their passport. But me, my dream is to take you to Mogadishu and give you a Somali passport and teach you my culture, show you a lot of things in Somalia.
Can I tell you a secret?
Yep.
I only take you because of passport,
Really?
Black Somali, that was my dream.
Okay, welcome to the family, madam.
It.
Yes, I will give you Somali passport, don't worry. Now I need to call Formaggio and tell him, Formaggio, yes, I got a beautiful Swiss girl, so I need her passport.
Formaggio is my brother. I'm going to call him, it's okay.
Formaggio is your brother?
Can
you give me his number?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I like that. Nasrina, my people, they're saying that you are beautiful, mashallah. And they really support you, they really like you. Guys, please go follow her. She have a beautiful heart, mashallah.